Hi guys, welcome to a new tutorial. My name is Ahmed and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to change your name on Facebook easily. Okay, first open your Facebook Lite app, then tap 3 lines, then scroll down, then tap Settings and Privacy, then Settings, then tap Account Center, then tap Profiles and Personal Details, then tap your profile, then tap Name, then change your first name and last name, then hit Review Change. Then choose how your name will appear on your profiles, then hit Save Changes. And like that, you can change your name on Facebook easily, okay? Okay guys, hope you find this tutorial useful and helpful, and if you do, then please like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, see you in next video, bye.